In front of me is Realme GT and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Additional Settings. Following that, select Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Lastly, click on Text Correction and after scrolling down a tiny bit, use the switcher next to Autocorrection to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!